So how to use oraimo FreePods Bass? Firstly, open the charging case. Take the earbuds out. If you see the blue light blinking like this, that means the earbuds have entered the pairing mode. Then open the Bluetooth function of your phone. Find the oraimo FreePods Bass. Choose to connect. If you see the lights off, that means your earbuds have successfully connected to your phone. Then you can use it to listen to music. If you have any connection problem, you can try this. Firstly, put them back to the charging case. And then take out. The earbuds will turn into the pairing mode again if you see the light blinking like this. Then you can connect to your phone again.